The president announced these proposed new rules today, and they include cutting short the amount of time you can have these so-called short-term health insurance plans, which can sometimes be less expensive, but could, surprise, leave you without coverage. Sometimes people purchase these types of insurance plans when they're transitioning between employers. Now, under regular Affordable Care Act health insurance rules, companies are required to cover pre-existing conditions, but that isn't always the case in some of these short-term plans, and people have been burned thinking they're going to be covered, but they're not. The Trump administration extended the amount of time that you could have these short-term plans all the way up to 3 years. Well, today, the Biden administration is proposing that they should be indeed short-term, and you should just have them for 3 or 4 months max. If you currently have one of these plans and this rule is ultimately finalized, you'll be able to stay on the plan until its expiration, and then you're going to be rolled into these new rules.
Guys, this is socialism hard at work. All this does, bottom line, they're forcing the self-employed, the 1099 employees, the farmers, the small business owners, they're forcing you to the ACA policies where you're going to pay for services you do not need. Guys, socialism only works if the haves pay in. If you bought your auto insurance like this, if you were accident free, you would pay the exact same amount as somebody that has an accident every 6 months? No, you wouldn't. Why wouldn't you? Because you have a clean driving record. If you have a clean bill of health, these are the policies that help you afford health care and not have to pay thousands of dollars into the ACA plans. Surprise fees? Come on, guys. You know if you have a pre-existing condition. If you've been diagnosed and have been being treated for the last 5 years, within the last 5 years for something, it's pre-existing. Then yes, go to the ACA plans. Yes, go to your group plan if you have an employer that offers one. But you don't have to if you haven't been diagnosed. They scare us into believing if there's something going on inside of us that all of a sudden it's going to be pre-existing and the insurance companies aren't going to cover it. And that's a lie. Do me a favor, comment below. Tell me how you get your health insurance. If it's through a group plan, awesome. Go for it. If it's affordable and it fits your budget, keep it. An ACA plan and you qualify for a subsidy, that's awesome. Good for you. Keep that plan. But if you're self-employed, if you're a 1099 employee and you write that check every month to your insurance company and you go, holy cow, this is freaking expensive, comment below and let me know because I can help you and we can lock you in for 3 years. Thanks a bunch and God bless.